In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your YouTube account without using your personal phone number. Or for those of you without an actual phone, I'm going to show you how you can get a phone number of your own to verify your YouTube account. And we're going to do this by using a website called TextNow.com. You can head over to this website by clicking on the link in the description. Now, TextNow is a free messaging service. They have apps you can download on your phone and tablet, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to be using the website version on our PC. Now, you're going to want to sign up, and all it asks for is an email, and then it's going to ask you what area code you want your phone number to be associated with, and then it's going to send you an email and ask you to verify your email account. And I highly suggest you use an email account that you actually use versus a throwaway email. Once we have our TextNow account set up, we're going to go ahead and head back over to YouTube, and we're going to go to our Creator Studio. And once we're there, we're going to go down to Channel and Status and Features, and we're going to click on the Verify button. And now we're going to select Call Me with an automated voice message. Do not select Text Me the verification code. It's going to give us this message here, basically saying get your phone ready. And I'm going to enter in my TextNow phone number and hit Submit. And if we head over to TextNow, you're going to see that the YouTube number is calling, and I'm just going to let this ring for the sake of the video, and then I'm going to listen to the voicemail to get the actual message. So as you can see here on the left side of our screen, we now have a new voicemail, and I'm just going to listen to that voicemail for the verification code. And now that I have my verification code, I'm going to head back over to YouTube, and I'm going to enter that code. And once that code is entered, I'm going to click Submit. And there you have it. My YouTube account is now verified. So it's that simple. It is that easy. If you guys have any questions on how to accomplish this, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.